on or what? Musical trip number 4. Mambo number 5. Ba ba da ba, ba ba da ba. Hell yeah. Just boost up, see if oh my god. The old instant phone restart, thanks Apple. Cheers Apple. Probably downloading some something to slow the iPhone down. Oh yeah, we're on. Cheers Apple. Probably downloading some that you can hear. Slow the iPhone down. Alright, Inception. So no whiskey. Got a lot of work to do tonight. But water, hydration, a lot of sun, a lot of sex. Just healthy. Cooked spaghetti linguine, seafood linguine tonight. Delicious. Just basically having the day from heaven. We will look at some alerts. Just made a video just before posts in the group about a stock on the Australian stock market. Just paid a massive dividend, bonus dividend. Interested in. It's a good buying opportunity. So let's talk about that. I haven't bought any yet, but watching that closely. You missed the dividend payment on it, but the area of purchase is quite nice. We can just look at some of these. This was it, actually. This was it. So you can see there was a lot of articulation going on. Better share this in the fucking group. On the phone. So we're just going to look at some alerts. We're not going to go through every fucking 150 altcoin. Don't have time for that. But Bitcoin busted and fell below 30k in the same hit. Let's just have a little look at them. Look at oh god. Just posted in Blockchain Bulls earlier about how short term looked bullish. Bang, get that monster green candle straight up the asshole of any short traders. Hell yeah. Massive. This is one chart to rule them all. Honestly, this has just been the best range, the best daily chart, like longer term time frame range for Bitcoin that I've ever fucking seen. Honestly, like longs down here in the knot. Liquidity zone. It's just, this has just been fucking ridiculous, honestly. Bang, 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 bang. Like, holy shit. You don't, like, you know, you got trends, you got ranges. You know, most of the time, about 30% of the time, it's spent in a trending move. And then the rest, 70%, range bound. And if you zoom out and look at this sort of chart, it's just like so much range play. Oh, break, retest. Fuck. Beautiful. Liquidation screener. We can just see like where this is liquidation screener, just a new indicator that I'm mucking around with. Just looking at where the liquidations happen, where the money gets taken. Better on lower time frames, really. Volume profile, point of control, massive amount of support there. You cross check them, different time frames. Just coming in lots of volume happening right now. Nothing compared to what it has been. This is spot too. This is Binance, Bitcoin, Binance, spot. So this is the true price of Bitcoin. The most traded Bitcoin pair USDT for Bitcoin on Binance. This is arguably and you'd win the argument if you argued, this is the winning argument for the real true price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin spot price on Binance. So bit of volume, not much. Hey, seen a lot more. See the trending moves? Fuck it, hell. Really dropped off a cliff, huh? Could be weird. Could be something weird going on there. Could be, I forget. I would have talked about it probably. Dun. Anyways, so we've got had lots of shorts. I've been looking for I've been trying to get good entries on longs the last couple of weeks. If you've been following, you've probably seen. Looking for longs because I was just overly shorted. Got a couple of, so we had a mad win streak with these posted and YouTube live altcoin trades, 8 in a row, and then we have actually come down now with I've had 2 stop losses. 2 stop losses hit. Just checking if any more stop losses have been hit. Had that CTSI one, which was a shocking entry. That was doing it for the live stream, so I just gotta stop doing that sort of shit, trying to have a bit of fun and make trades. Just best to show good trading behavior, even though it's just a small account where we're doing $100, $200 bets, having a bit of fun for the gram, but really should just do it properly. So we'll be doing it properly. So waiting for the appropriate, not forcing any trades and shit. Just the thing is, like, the whole point of this that I'm doing as well with these live streams and the Whisky and all that sort of shit is showing that you can have fun doing this as well and make decent cash with small amounts. That's the point, because that's what everybody's missing. That's what nobody's doing. People make successful trading sound so fucking shit, so fucking boring, so much time involved, opportunity cost for whatever else you're doing in your life. It doesn't have to be like that. It doesn't have to be like that. It can be a supplemental fun activity. So we can look at other stuff. DXY potentially topping, good for risk assets. Stock market, obviously down trading still on the channel. Total 3. See again, like, yeah. Bump. You know, like, longs on altcoins. That's what we've been looking. Shorts on altcoins. It's typically like the range play. This is total 3, so it's total crypto market cap excluding BTC and ETH. I believe it's the top 125 coins, not the total crypto market cap, but you know, fair enough. Yeah, so you're just like assuming the range will continue. This is the amount of money that's in the altcoins, yeah? So like the money comes and goes in and out from US transfers from dollars to altcoins, because as you could imagine, it's the same people buying and selling the altcoins with the same money. He gives him, he loses, gives it him, his money to him, they lose, give their money to that fucking bot, that bot loses, gives them, it's just cycle, money is just bouncing around. Yeah, so a bit of a range there, bit of a cash injection, July, just creeping down this thing. Anyways, without further ado, I bring to you some of these. So we're looking for a multitude of things. I need to bring up This is just and this is another reason why I'm using this Coinalyze website to show as well, just basing the trades around Coinalyze mixed with range trading, support, resistance, price action, and a simple moving average. Just keeping it as simple as possible. Sometimes that's just the best way to do it. You know, instead of like paid bullshit for everybody. Because we got paid stuff in the group, Blockchain Bulls. Should also, if you're watching, plug the Blockchain Bulls chat group. It's free. You'll see the link in the bio. You can also get TradingView. I recommend waiting for, it's free, but you can get you need alerts to get alerts, which is just the most valuable thing in the world, because you want to wait for a trade to come to you. You do not want to, loud is it or what? You do not want to enter the trade when you want to enter the trade. You want the trade to enter inside of you. So the trade, you know, you set alerts, and then the trade comes and says, hey, yo, like I said before, it's like a friend, like, hey old pal, check this out. We got a monster potential head and shoulders here on this render, RNDR. I do like the concept of this. I've said it many times. We've just sort of been getting hit with the alert over and over again. I like to short it, but you know, obviously you should have longed it here too. Great trade, would have been a great long. Hard to time the bottom. You could have easily just gone like this though, bang, basic trend line, like it's just like broken, comes down. Supports that is a bullish engulfing candle. You see how that just basically makes a high, makes a low, and then that next green candle just completely deletes the previous high. That's most likely going to have a lot of volume here. A lot of RNDR changing hands here. You know, I do like to short this. I would like to short this. It's above the 200-day simple moving average. Just could be bull trapping in a couple of days though. You know, we like to, those bull traps want to see them to be pretty quick. So I'm pretty open. RNDR render. So computer power token, isn't it? Share computer power, processing power to rendering images, rendering movies, rendering images, all that sort of shit. Lower lows on the open interest. Hasn't made the lower low yet. It's good for a sign of a refresh. We'll see what the liquidations have been. A lot of shorting starting to turn. So I'll bring up this piece of paper here. We'll have this out of the Blockchain Bulls very soon. Just so uptrend, price is uptrending. Yes, we can agree on that. Price is uptrending. Price is in an uptrend and it's going up. So price up, uptrend, red funding rate turning green. So red funding rate going up. Going up, price up, bullish, longers piling in to follow spot, and shorts have been placed. Yeah, so you know, been a shitload of short. You can see, fucking hell, look what happens after you there. Everybody shorts this shit, like, goes up, hits them up. Liquidations is probably going to be fuck all because it hasn't really had those aggressive wicks yet, you know, like that. See that aggressive wick there where it takes out $200,000 worth of liquidations. Like, this is piss weak. Looking at that, you know, I believe that's probably gonna, like where we've got the alert. See, I moved the alert, this horizontal thing with the little timer there, that's an alert. Move that up here because I want to see it go and then close down. So I'm not really happy to short that yet, and obviously the long has been missed. Solana, similar. 2-day chart, making highs. See, look, I end up looking for shorts again. I want longs for a bit of balance. Yeah. It's probably gonna put in some bearish divergence. One count. Piss weak though. Stand in front of the train, this shit. Could be top, obviously. Anything can happen. This is actually a it's messy. See, the problem with all this drawing, isn't it? It's so messy. And then if I delete all drawings, it gets rid of all the alerts as well. So here's an exercise for you. Ready? Bang. Where's the resistance? Most pivot. Okay, so you're gonna. That's just this. Ay. Like what I'm doing here, right? Is I'm drawing what is called an ascending triangle. Higher lows into a flat roof. An ascending triangle. It's a bullish pattern because it's like banging against the resistance, and the buyers, the last minute buyers, are willing to pay more and more for it. Hold on. See how quick I can find this. I'll give myself 10. Got it. Fun for you. Bukowski's Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns. You can find it on the internet. It's all there for free. But let's go to the statistics. So what you're looking for is this percentage amount, the percentage amount of the percentage amount of an ascending triangle with a flat top in a downtrend, how often it breaks it, and then how often that it triangle bull markets triangle. Yeah, see, it takes so fucking long to find shit. I need to get those sticky notes on it. So he comes up with statistics. I'm pretty sure it's like 62% chance that it breaks it to the upside and then continues on. 68 in a bull market, and a falling wedge in a bull market 72. I know some of them, but the bear market is a bit different. I think triangle 6976 to 979. I'll give it 10 seconds. See if we can find it.
And now I see.
Triangles ascending. Upwards breakouts.
The very pulse.
Yeah, 70% chance that it continues on in a bull market. I said 72. Finally, mate just texted me, Marty. He just said, finally, some Bitcoin and gold correlation. A run to safety, as Larry Fink mentioned himself. A run to safety when doom ensues. Yeah, you gotta fuck around looking for it for the bear market. Like, I'll just show you. See, triangles ascending, but see how it's in an uptrend. Statistics down there. But see, it's in a downtrend. That's a little bit different. Just get like a lot more breakdowns. You know, just absolutely soaks up all this liquidity again and again and again. I'll have a look at it though, Solana. Soul. Free roll, baby. Open interest. Massive now. A lot of leverage money in here. Open interest. Peaking.
The very pulse.
Funding rate is heavily red. That's big for Solana. Look. That is the most red that it's been in a month. And then look what happened. Bang. These people everyone's just addicted to shorting now, you know? Me somewhat included. Obviously when it's paying. That's some good liquidations though, the upside. They have some good healthy half mils. Funny, we'll just quickly zoom out one more time. Again, you know, 3 mil, 3, 6, 9, 15 mil or so, a couple of days. I want to see more extremities. So again, if we're going to short this, which I'm really not that interested in doing because of how strong it is, I'd rather short the breakdown, essentially. Like that. Got this alert timer still there. But you know, in case it does go a bit silly, where can we put this? That one, this one, in case we get something quick like that again. Just base it out. Into this liquidity zone up here, like it did before. Lightning strikes twice. We're not racing into fucking anything on that trade. I mean, it's an X for the long. That is something that triggered, and I just wanted to wait a little bit longer. It's one of the ones that we're looking for the long. Wouldn't mind getting into this actually, you know. Obviously, it's toppy right now in the range. See all this fucking shit, guys. If I get rid of this, get rid of all my alerts. So what do we want to see? Well, what are we seeing? We're seeing some a lot of volume in this range here. Let me bring it up to a range. Boom. Where are we? See, shortable. Definitely shortable here, but again, you know, we wanted to sort of long that. This thing's been just beaten the fuck up. Yeah, we do like to short weakness, but there's just there is room to move, but I prefer this one for a long, man. It's just like it's not up here, you know. It's not up here like it missed me. This is at lows. I'm really interested in long shorting shit when it's like the weakest it's ever been, because how much weaker can you get? It's like Tony Ferguson it's like Tony Ferguson on his current 6-fight loss streak. How much worse can he get? Like, he can get worse, so can this, but is it interesting? Really? So what do we do for here? Set an alert. Either momentum or maybe another touchdown. Buy area. As you can see, the green buy area is really come down into here. Easy way to do it, the old G box. SNX live. Fuck your mum. SNX live long. Fuck with that. Momentum, you want to zoom in a little bit more than a 4-hour for a bit of a momentum play, bro. Something like that. See how it comes down, swings. Momentum low, price low. Momentum low, price low. What's the 1 hour saying? Yeah, that'll do. I'm gonna hit that, not want to enter, I know, but we'll see where we go. SNX live longs, good when the price and the momentum meets. So you know, the price is down here, momentum's down here, groups around. Got the double entendre. I usually go about 25 for this, which is where the yellow line is. So, you know, that looks toppy, but not chasing a massive amount of gains from that really. Dodo long. Again, this is coming off long in the fucking, what's it called? YouTube lives that we're doing. Moved it down again because it's the same one of those ones. See, this is like Solana, but the opposite, right? So you've got flat down the bottom, so it's a descending triangle, and then you've got lower highs, yeah? Lower highs, so descending triangle in a bear market. Tune out now, because this is getting boring. Statistical analysis. What nobody wants to do. They just want to fucking YOLO into a straight 100% loss. Descending triangles, 1005. Triangles, descending. Bear market, down, breakout, 58%. %. Yeah, nothing to write home about, is it? There's so many statistics in here. It's like the easy statistic that we found before for the ascending triangle. It's like, it's like not even, it's all different. Like not presented in the exact same way for every pattern. That's the fucking thing I hate about this, bro. Like there's so many different stats on this one. Bull market, bear market down, breakout. Yeah. It's 62%, bro. Anyways, fuck you. Fuck you. Moving on. You know, because he goes and looks at like 1,000 of that pattern, and then he gives you the results. What else we got? Whisky. So, do we want to long this? Dodo. It's just hard to like long something that's so fucking shit. Hey, you know what I mean? Hey, but they know what I mean. Let's have a quick look at Dodo, see if anyone's lost their money on it, and move on, eh? It's hard to fucking... And this is the problem, like, it's hard to long anything right now, even though Bitcoin's leading the market, so it could be any more obvious. Look how green that is, too. It's like, what the fuck, man? Comes through for a little bit. It's these pegged funding rates to the upside. Hate that, it's unreadable. Except for this shit. Look. Red, aggressively shorting. What happened? Reversal. Red, aggressively shorting. What happened? Reversal. What's up, puppy? Come here. The trader dog. The trader's dog. Be fooled by her placid nature. She'll go ya, especially if you're a bush turkey. Got no time for that shit. Big boy stuff going on here. Big boy shit. Oh, yeah, see, a little bit of liquidation, but it's got fuck all for us. Nobody trades this shit, mate. Where's the volume? It's fucking nothing. It's like a waste of time. Sorry for wasting time. YGG baby, bottom of parallel rising channel, uptrend, many hits, a little bit played out, yes. Is it in an uptrend? Potentially. It is using 200-day simple moving average as support, not too bad. We've got a short-term range going on. You can see that shit pretty clearly. It's not at the bottom of it, but it's basing. We'll see something like this. Where are we? Where is the resistance? Probably about there. Yeah, see something like that, right? So, fuck this off for a second for you. So it's sort of dipping into these sort of buy areas if we're talking about a range. Obviously, lower highs on the best, lower lows. Sort of a bit of an ugly channel too, isn't it? Bum, 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 bum. Or you can do another one, you know. That's the thing with these channels, boys. These herp and derp lines. You can just fucking make anything to suit what you want to see. Get into the good shit, Chad. Momentum swinging over on the 4-hour chart. 4-hour, king of the medium time frames. Not bad. Volatility shrinking, collapsing. If that continues up, volatility's in the blue there. If it expands, you get a good move like this, something like this. See, that's blue. See, that's blue. Blue barring says big move's coming. That was the big move. And then not until the momentum started shifting. That's a harder signal, you know. See when it starts flicking around in the middle there. Not the easiest, but what you do then is you look at other time frames for it. So blue bars, 12-hour, blue bars, momentum down. Blue below the orange, pointing down. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 12-hour lots to make a signal. Anyway, fuck you, don't worry about it. If you don't get it, get out of here. We got momentum swinging to the top, swinging from the top down on the 1-hour chart. So you got a bit of a momentum swing. It's probably Bitcoin's probably just take Bitcoin pulling back or what? How much longing do you want to do? Seriously. Go BTC, baby. See, blue bar and says big moves coming. Yeah, warns you. Big moves coming. Red bar, big moves been done. Big moves been done. It's usually the second lot of red bars where the big move stops. Yeah, so 1, 2. It's not the same with the blue bars. This is just something that you notice. You can count as that. Well, maybe almost red bars. It's got to go to the red lines. Yeah, it didn't go to the red line just there. Quite a bit short. Bitcoin's fucking roof. And what's gold doing? Doing correlation, eh? Oh yeah. Up and to the right. Momentum. Momentum is so high. Like me? Nah, jokes, bro. You tripping, man? I'll do some mushies though. That shit will expand your brain. Keep rolling through this shit. Don't mind that. Oh, well, we'll look at that. Hey, we need a little alert though. Yield guild games, hey? Not bad. Try to keep the fundamentals out of it, but back for a little buy. I'll keep a tight alert so I can. What was the 12-hour momentum doing again? Oh, tight alert so I can just stay in touch. That's nice. That's nice as we want it. YGG. You get see if you got tight alerts, you can stay in touch with the coin. You know what I mean? Alert goes off again. Oh no, it's just gone off again. But really, it's like, hey, yo, keep an eye on me. Here I am. I'm making movements. Check it. When the alert goes off, you check it. You know, if the alert didn't go off, you didn't check it. Low open interest is good. It's good. Bit of a divergence here. Open interest ain't moving, but the price is moving up. What's that mean? Bit of spot buying. Spot buying. Yeah, green. Wouldn't mind some people shorting it. along it, you know, taking the opposite side, no liquidations, I'd imagine. A whole lot of boringness. Wow, didn't even reverse it either, huh? 200k and then kept going down. That is a sore butthole. Get in longer there. But that's good though, because you know a lot of liquidations have been wiped out. A lot of open interests have been wiped out there. Bit right there. So drops fucking 2 mil. 10%. I'd love to see that shit. The high open interest means there's a lot of derivative money in there. And you know, when there's a lot of derivative money in there, that means there's a lot of derivative money to get taken out of there. How do they get taken out of there? Liquidations and stop losses. What causes liquidations and stop losses? Price going in the direction that the majority doesn't want it to, and especially with zest and gusto. I will keep in touch with YGG. So we're just looking at, whoa. Yeah, we set an alert for this. It's just a gift that just keeps on taking. I haven't longed it. We were looking for a long, right? But below this, and yeah, it should have been a short. So I like the bottom of this range for a long, but as you can see, it doesn't like the bottom of the range. The whole market's trending up. This thing's just trending down. So basically, I couldn't have been any more wrong there. Just expecting it to go up, you know. But yeah, the range has played out. It's had a lot of time in there, for 6 months or so. So see that just touches the 200, just touches it. Yo, fuck you. Laters, other way. So I missed a short, missed a long. So I got the alert. You can see I already had the alert set all the way down here now, because it's just like, talk to me when you're there now. You're fucked up. You're fucked up, mate. You know, go and upset your mother. I was looking at this one, MTL, for a long. Basing here. Not too bad. Strong. Excuse the sniffles. Strong resistance. Very, very, very strong resistance in this area. So again, like ascending triangle, looking for another breakout. Could be alright. Is the momentum low? No. Volatility expansion to the upside potentially. Basing off the parallel, ascending parallel channel. So it's just you're just assuming that it's just going to continue this channel. The channel hasn't been gone for too long, you know. I barely count that really. We could redraw it. Include previous price action, and then it would include this low there. See that? So again, we found this a bit late. I wouldn't mind. See this, like, you know, this shit that we're doing right now is the shit that we are doing right now is the reason why people do not like trading altcoins, because they don't want to do any work. They don't want to learn how to find their own altcoins. They want to know. They just want a signal, bro, and then they want to be wrong, because most signals are wrong because things change. Most signals are breakout trades. Most signals are breakout trades. MTL, futures data, coin and lies, funding rate, open interest, not that much. Funding rate, just giving it easy, boys. Heavily long still. We want a bit of a flash like this. See this shit? Bang. See that shit? Bang. Bang. Just leads to up. Like, where are the shorters? They're not there yet. they're not there yet. And you see they come at the bottom, yeah, because they're idiots. They're nice. That's nice. That's good to see. Yeah, we could look for a good entry, and then we'll just set the alert. See, the alert's set for a lower low. I don't really believe that it might not make a lower low, so it's sort of trying to change the market structure. It's got a high, like a lower high, and then maybe potentially a higher high. So I think that's pretty played out. Those wicks are nice. We'll just bring that alert up a bit. Set that. Be generous on the entry. High chance we long this. 200-day simple moving average storm. It's just sort of hovering there. It's hovering. It's slight look. Long-term uptrend, boys. 1 year. Disgusting. Like it's ugly as fuck. But it's an uptrend. What I'm say? What is an uptrend? Time, day created, newest first. So we've looked at this. Next. Oh man. Baby. Gold reaches all-time high in Australian dollar. These are Australians. Oh. Who's ready to lie? Who's ready to long Doge? You can get another liquidity spike, but look, it doesn't really get past 5. You get a stop loss below 5 cents, which is probably 10%, is it? 20%. Oh yeah, because it's 50. Derpadur, Muhammad Jihad, Aka Sherpa Sherpa, Bakala. Ah, Durga. I need a better entry on this, but Doge for a long range lows, fucking cycle lows, doesn't go below 50 cents, bro. 5 cents, bro. I'm telling you. Doge hasn't been down below there since for 15 months, and when it was, it hated it down there. Oh, I didn't even do it. Oh, yeah, for 1 cent and fuck all time. You can see. Hit me big old heads in the way. Falling pizza, baby. Let's have a little look at what Doge is doing. I want a long Doge. I just want a reason to do it. That's it. You know what I mean? Like, other than being at fucking ultra lows. There's a good buying opportunity, really, for like a sort of a lower leverage play. Bit of a divergence in the open interest. People want to jump on. Heavily longed. Heavily longed. Fuck, all interesting liquidations have happened. Taking out nothing. Either sides are ugly. 250k, 200k. It's not that much for a Doge. It's not that much for Doge, bro. It's not that much for Doge. Like comes down. Ranges, comes down, traps, reclaims range, goes along, goes up, like a lot of the time. That's what you'll see when it comes down to like bottom prices like this. Probably going to force me into a momentum play then. I want to enter because you see we missed it, right? We missed the better entry. That's good though. We'll go for a sweep of the previous lows if it wants to do that, and or a momentum. Ooh, live long. Get a good entry on this, mate. I will long this with a stop loss for 4 cents, 4.8 something. You know, 10x leverage, 5 to 7x leverage will be what we will be allowed. And it'll be most likely a long burner. That's fine though. We got time. This shit. LDO. Similar thing, man. Basing. Fuck. LDO is still a hot coin, mate. I'm telling you that much. What a bargain that was. Just a sneaky 300%. Don't mind me. This is it's a volatility expansion. And then most likely you'll see a head fake. So the entry for LDO could potentially be very soon. Yep, momentum swinging. Let's have a look. LDO might be on tonight. LDO might be on for a long tonight. Open interest, low funding rate, green, predicted trending down. Hopefully, yeah, the green might force us into a better entry. Yep, I've seen enough. We've got a good alert there, and we'll go another momentum play. Oh shit! That's the momentum to the upside signal right there. So I might have to zoom in even further. Here you go. Red bar and volatility is expanded. Time is ticking. Bullish divergence. Look at that bull. Bang. Momentum swing on the 1 hour. What's the 2 hour doing? It's already up there, eh? Yep. 1 hour swing. High chance I enter this for a long. I want to see pullback. Nail the entry. Long. Live. Good risk to reward on that one. Yeah, we've looked at that live short. That. Fuck you. It's done on 20% already. We missed that one. Gave it too much room to move, too much leg room. I wanted to be notified when that wick hit it and enter the short right there. Trade is gone. Let me know if you come back, but I doubt it. Homo, short. We shorted it already. I'm in a short on this, so it's not the best. I'm not proud of it. You know, it's extremely strange price action right here, and it's in a strong uptrend. It was for a range low or a test of the 200-day simple moving average. The reason why I'm not really proud of it is because it's just there's easier shorts in this. Yeah, this is shorting strength. So like strongly green funding rate mixed with like liquidation wicks and liquidations and just like consistency of just range high, range low, range high, range low, range high, range low, like combinations, like a range play, like to taking profit at the 200-day simple moving average for a support, which will be most likely around about here if it reaches it, and then leaving the rest if it comes down to this. Not expecting the end of it. It's on. I've got the trade on, so we'll see what happens with that one. Obviously, not ideal, but you know, where's the long? Yeah, see, they did get hit, eh? I was absent the brain. Huh. See how it does this again? See how it does this again? So it come down and hit this this alert, wicked back up. I'm like, oh yeah, it's going down again. So I set it down there again, and look what it did. Come down. Just wait for it, and we'll be patient. We'll bring it up a little bit to the bottom of the wicks. This candle crossing, so I have to put it below the wick. Sorry if that fucked your ears. This is trading, boys. This is looking for an easy trade. This is looking for an easy trade. Like the channel. What we want to see here is like a higher low put in, so you can see, if you zoom out a little bit, you'll see it a bit better. Zoomed out too far. I did. Put it on like a 2-day probably. Just like high, low, high, low, high, higher low. You know, if we're looking for a reversal, because this is looking for both sides of the field here, really. You know what I mean? Playing for a long or short. It's a bit of a stagnant market. It's just ranging, you know, just ranging. It's filthy range. DIDX, good exchange though. Based out. Based out. No one play? Oh yeah, it's weekly. Yeah, top heavy. A lot of hands changed. You just want to see some. I just want to see people losing money, bro. I just want to see some people losing some fucking money so we can take that fucking money. This is just Bitcoin Cash on the riding the coattails of Bitcoin's success. Scab. I mean, prediction. Short this again. I'll never long. It's not bad though, really, is it? It's like a. Oh my god! Look at the momentum. You can stay low for long. Remember that. You can stay low for long. Look at all that bullish divergence. Wow. 1, 2. You really close lower. I'm not going to long that. I'm not going to short that yet, but I'll put that up there just in case he wants to play ball again. Nice. This is weak as fuck. You could argue that it looks like Doge and all that sort of shit because it's at the lows, but I'm going to disagree because Doge and stuff have been basing out a lot more. Finding out this is new lows. You know, this is extremely hated. I can't wait to drop the video for that one. That shorted it like up here, the profit like down here. You see again, same shit, like yeah, bullish divergence, sweet, it's making a few counts. Boom, boom, boom. That's 3 counts bullish divergence. 1, 2, 3. It's a lot of bullish divergence. This is a big falling wedge pattern, like massive falling wedge pattern. Here, hold on, let me just get rid of all this shit. No, I won't. Look at that. Oh my god, bro. Holy fuck. That's the sort of shit that I used to long back in the day when I started just looking for falling wedges, eh? Bottom timing, that's what that is, bottom timing. You don't want to do that shit though, unless you do not give a single fuck about your account and you want to make some big wins. You want to make some big wins, and then you want to make some bigger losses. Another range play. Didn't want to hit our alert, huh? Hate us that much. Yeah, just give us a week like that or something, then might be interested, you know? You can see how it works now, eh? Just clears it all out. Clears out the gunk. We could get interested on, is it Asta? I got no fucking clue what this coin is. ASTR 0.041. Yeah, that's the one. Finding rate is heavily green. Got shorted a lot though. Did they lose a lot of money though? Not really. I want to see real lows. I need that real low. So storage is a fucking... Storage is a tricky one because, as you can see, it's a piece of absolute garbage that is broken down from this parallel channel. But you know what? There's nothing tricky about that. It's fucked. Well, you'd see that on a lower term time frame when it looks sort of hellmanish. Yeah, I can short this. Not just yet though. It's coming back. We sort of missed the entry. That's pretty good, eh? That's pretty good for a short. I'm looking for longs, but trying to look for longs anyway. Storage. What's everyone else doing? Open interest, nice low. Yeah, it's been heavily shorted. Heavily shorted, so give us one more wick to the upside. Take out this prior one. Put in maybe a bit of bearish divergence. Storage. Short. YouTube live, man. Do it for live, bro. Look at these. These are all ASX sort of stuff, so I'm waiting for them. LDO. I think we're coming into the end of the fun, boys and girls. The longs have been... IMX. Gonna breathe a little bit of air back into this fucker or what? I do like this coin as far as coins go, not just because I got a nice airdrop from them, but because of not because they're waving the Australian flag, but in-game NFT integration through platforms like IMX are absolutely crucial for the future. See what everyone else is doing IMX. Bitcoin dominance is completely charging too. Altcoins are looking, you can see how different are the altcoins looking. Like that looks fucked. Look over to Solana, looks alright. Big cap, you're like, oh yeah, maybe big cap's pumping. Flick over to Doge at the bottom. It's like very, very all over the place at the moment. That's why we're taking so long fucking around, because there isn't that many easy trades. That's what we're looking for. Easy trades. For the easy trades, Not a whole lot of them. Oh, yeah. Shorted into oblivion. Did here. Didn't matter. Didn't matter. They got paid. Everyone that shorted there got fucking paid. But at the same time, see, you know, no strategy's perfect. That would have been a lot of, that's a lot of spot selling. So much spot selling. Wow. That's the thing, you know, when you trade derivatives and funding rates, you just don't know what's going to happen on the spot side. Token. I'm on YouTube Live, don't fuck with me. Yeah, so again, we're gonna low set the low, give me some sort of wiki entry, something like that. Or just something that takes out the lows like that, you know what I mean? Low, takes it out, comes back, reclaims it, look, bullish engulfing, bang, up. But you know, the rising tide lifts all boats, ladies and gents, so you will see. And you know, we get something like this as well. It's something to keep an eye out for. So we might actually do this as well, huh? So bang, give it a bit of breathing room, and trend crossing up. Max live long. Might get a bit of strength, breakout, retest. Watch it. See, this shit takes time. This shit takes work. Low, the longs. Alright. Oh no, there's more. Bake. Look, hey, we got into this bake short like here, didn't we? Shorted bake. See? Look at that fucking liquidity grab. Bang. That's people losing money. That's why we shorted it, like right here or right there or wherever the fuck it is. Took profits here, went back up, in profit again, waiting for down here, around down here, breakdown. I want to see big money, big gains, big man doing big things around here. That was a good short. We got the video out, I think. We shorted that, OGN. Or did we long it? Yeah, we short. Oh, we know we shorted it here, and then it did that. Again, should have shorted it up here. Look at that. Look at those wicks. Massive. Taking out liquidity. Taking out liquidity previously. Give me that. Bang. Kablammy. Let you know we've looked at that. RV, short, long. Look, high, low. It's not bad. We need to be talking about longs for this as well. I need wicks. I need entries. I need wicks. RV, live, long. Put the name of the coin in there as well because I want to be alerted. I want to be talked to. Dear future self. RV, live, long. That's what, I'm not setting an alert for someone else. I'm setting an alert, talking to myself. Bet. V-Chain, as seen on UFC. In the ring. Look at the side. Look at one of the cage cushions. V-Chain. They paid big money for that. They're still on. They've been on there. They've been on there for fucking 2 years, bro. Maybe even more. 3 years. 3 years, maybe. Yeah, I want to know about a short. I also want to know about a long. It's just the price. Yeah, look, hey, see, look, this is why I'm not doing a huge wall of, was planning on, how long's it been? I mean, a fucking hour. I wasn't planning on doing a big one tonight because there's not much going. You know? It's hard. It's hard trading at the moment because altcoins aren't really playing ball. Bitcoin's leading the market, pumping, and then a handful of altcoins are playing ball. a lot of them are just like, you know, that dude poking them with the stick, just like, yeah. It's Link doing. We had a long, yeah, we got in too late with the long alert on Link. KNC. Yeah, so it's just, oof. Oh, see, look how look. See, this is the thing, man. You just can't always get it right with the alerts. Look, I set it up here, and look what happened. It just missed us. You gotta set tighter alerts, but you gotta be fair because you don't want to ping in all the fucking time. You want to stay. Oh. Look at the volatility. Look what happened last time. We blue barred on the vol. See this drawing? Like looking for, hasn't hit that alert yet either. That was a long entry. Look at this thing. Monster uptrend. Monster doesn't spend much time below the 200, does it? Huh? Does it? Happy dance. Happy dance. Strong uptrend. Happy dance. Good entry. Happy dance. Look at the people that are long this. People, you know, every time there's a transaction, someone's buying, someone's selling. There's people that bet that it was going to keep going up here. You are getting a 37% better price on this long. Oh, it's swinging up too. Us, boys. This might be the one that we jump on for a long. Ugh, stochastic's not smooth at all, eh? Look. Erratic. Not static. You can just let us know when we're entering live, long, AGLD, whatever the fuck that is, L Gold or something. L Grand. We'll just have one little look here. I'm sure this will just put us off because we've done LGLD. We've gotten too excited before we looked. Adventure Gold. Oh, what a name. Two things that humans have always loved: adventure and gold. Whoever thought of that fucking altcoin name needs a raise. Low open interest. It's good. That's what we want to see for room for movement to the upside. Funding rates. That's right. Look at these fuckheads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Full working day of shorting the bottom aggressively. Let's swing it around too. It's cool, man. We will just shitloads of longers have just been consistently. We eating good. That on the Instagram story. We eating good out here, fam. Eating good. Eating good out her. Oh, everyone hates me on Instagram. Restaurant. I don't think anyone's even watching anymore, so. But no, I'm gonna long this, so you can do as you wish with that. But I'll just wait for a good entry and then we'll jump on a long. Not doing them on live anymore, so eat a dick. But you can see it in the Blockchain Bulls. The link's below. You don't have to join the group. You can just join the free chat channel, and we'll talk about it there, if you like. Because that's the spot in here. Front DM for menu and hours. Alright, nearly done. Just cooked spaghetti marin. Sorry about it. It was just a Snapchat story of my mint dinner. Yeah, cool. I like that. We'll get the entry on there. Most likely be asleep. Can you set a buy order? That's a pretty good idea. We should set a buy order. The thing with buy orders though is like, buy order gets filled. So, look, ready? Buy order gets filled, you're definitely in a position. Alert gets triggered, you can check whether you're in the position. Because buy order gets filled on the way down, keeps going down, way further, candles close below. You're already in, you can exit, but you've already lost the money. Bitcoin's dumping, market wide, like, get alerted. If you're asleep when the alert goes off, and you miss the entry, reset the alert in a different spot, check it again, and if you've missed it, get over it, get onto a next trade. You got fucking 200 altcoins that are like tradable until the derivatives. Oh man, this was the other shit trade that I got stopped out of. I entered fucking like here or something, right? Needed to enter here. You can see it was a mistake that I made because I was trying to have fun doing this YouTube channel. So see a bit of a pattern going on here, having a bit of fun, having a laugh, talking shit, doing some shitty trades, setting a bad example. Won't be doing that again. Just good, better entries. Oof. Wow. Resistance break, retest, volatility, blue, stochastic momentum expanding, hidden bullish divergence. Unbelievably strong uptrend that just doesn't want to end. Ends when we jump on it though. What's that law? It's not Ohm's law, it's not Murphy's law. Like you want to be, you want to cause the end of this uptrend. I'll show you how to do it. You enter. Now I'll probably jump on this one too, see if we can milk this fucker out a little bit. I found two longs here. Ant. I thought it was going to be like Altcoin. Ant. Oh yeah, look at that. Equal highs, lows in the open interest. Not bad. Money rates pretty mixed. It's obviously up. Green. It's trending down and predicted. Not too bad. Didn't take anyone's money. Cleaned out a few shorters. Not really. Not really. That's why I got this this down here just in case it does a bit of a head fake. That'd be the best way to enter this, be on a head fake. So volatility expansion in the opposite direction, you Google head fake. John Bollinger, the inventor of the Bollinger Bands, you get a volatility expansion on the wrong way, it comes up, engulfs, fucks off. That would be a beautiful entry. This low volatility is nice, eh? Oofed. What's up, Kano, brother? My guy. Kano's coming around to watch the UFC at 4 a.m. on Saturday morning, then going back, trying to get some sleep. We work Sunday night. I'd like to just jump on the long here, the long train, just this coin that just doesn't seem to want to die until we enter. People be another momentum play. You got a range here, you can see the range. Get the G box, bring it over here. You know, you can sort of see like where the best entries are, right? G box. Go to G box, and then you go to settings. That's how I've set them. Yep. So you can screenshot that or whatever and set your G box up to look like that. Change the colors. So I've got, red is like a bit of a warning. If you're looking for a liquidity grab, you sort of want to see it come back. But yeah, obviously the best entries are up here, but you just got to be cautious. Best entries are in these wicks. Middle 0.5, see the middle of the range, the median, and then you've got you've got greens for longs, yellows for shorts, etc. So we're long this coin. We want to be long this coin. We want to bet that the price is going to go up. But as you can see, it's had its red bar and volatility expansion to the upside. Definitely could go up again from here. But all we want to do is just get like a better entry, right? So greedy would be here. Conservative would be here in the middle of the range. So we might just get loaded in the middle of the range. See how we go for that. And I'm going on the 1 hour chart, and because this sort of gives you a signal within the next 24 hours. And live long. And alrighty, might call it there. Yeah, a few stocks on the Australian stock market. Just thought of you doing the promoting Australian shares at the moment. The best thing to do is have a diversified portfolio where it's like you've got maybe half of the stocks from where you live, where you're from. I think it's good ethically to support your own nation, and then you sort of diversify into like a bit of America. Maybe you do quarter America, quarter emerging nations, so you got like 50% of diversified portfolio in Australia, then you've got 25% in America, and then you've got 25% in emerging nations like Brazil, India, shit like that. Israel. Oh no, I just got shadow banned. Just got shadow banned. And then obviously you got commodities and all that sort of shit, but that's different. I'm just talking about within the balanced portfolio, like crypto, commodities, like stocks and that. So within the stocks, that's what shit is. So it's sort of like the right thing to do. Yeah, we got a couple of alerts set for some of that, but I've got a video coming out. It's not the best. I mean, I haven't bought it yet. What I made the video on. But it's in a value buy zone, so you might be able to look into it further or something. You might see some shit you might know, you might have heard of it. Talked about it earlier anyway on the stream, but peace and love. I'm gonna fuck off now. I'm making these modules or continuing on with these modules. And gold is at all-time highs in Australian dollar apparently. How good is that? Is that a recession indicator? Is the housing market going to crash? Do you need to get your child into the workforce? GLD AUD, and that's X. Okay. Bang! Fucking not wrong, eh? Gold has never, in the history of the world, given you more Australian dollars. Why is that? The reason for that is because Australian dollars have never been so worthless. Gold is gold. 1 ounce of gold is 1 ounce of gold. That's never going to change. What's changing? The denominator. 1 ounce of gold by what you can get for it, or what you have to pay to get it. And what you have to pay to get it is becoming more and more and more and more, because the thing that you're throwing at it is becoming shitter and shitter and shitter, so you need more of it. There you go, mate. Inflation in a nutshell. Gold's good. Not going to get rich on gold unless you trade with leverage, but look at this. Look at that, you know? What's it doing? Up and to the right. Good day. I don't have a whole lot of gold. I've got, you know, a lot more in Bitcoin, digital gold, right? More reward. But got a bit of gold. Love a bit of gold. And hey, congrats, cheers. Cracker. Working on the third module of the trends series. So that should be out soon. I just want all 3 done before I post it. Yep, I'll do it anyways. Fuck ya. Happy weekend, happy Friday, peace and love. I'll see you soon. Very soon.